This is a Next Weather Alert from CBS News Miami.
All right, we're continuing following the emergency situation with the weather right now. Ivan is joining us, and I have a question about the winds. We haven't talked too much about that. How strong are the winds right now?
Yeah, so they haven't been bad at all. I mean, we did have that one severe thunderstorm warning with potentially strong winds, and we'll continue to see that for the next half hour or so with some gusty winds, particularly down where you see all this frequent lightning. They're down towards Key Largo. We continue to see some pretty good storms there. But, henceforth, I'm going to start with some good news because I can finally give that to you here, and I think we're seeing a much improved situation. It's not like all of a sudden it's going to stop raining. This pattern still continues, but the worst of the rainfall is beginning to calm down a bit here. So this is the worst of it because we have all this lightning here across portions of the northern Keys from Key Largo heading up towards Ocean Reef. But this is not hooking back in. This is continuing nicely to push offshore. So even here, I think we'll be in much better shape. Now, we do have a flood advisory now because the rainfall rates have been significant, and that's going to continue for between Isla Morada and heading up towards Ocean Reef there. Tavernier getting included in Key Largo, of course. That goes till 9:45, and then a little further north, we have this batch of flash flood warnings. All of which, by the way, expire at 8 o'clock, right? So we're coming up on an hour and 5 minutes, and all of these will either come down to flood advisories or get extended. But the rain that's rolling over this area right now is moderate, but it is not as heavy as it has been here. So we're looking much better. There's no lightning. There's no indication of, a lot more heavier rain coming through the area. But this is what we still have, this flash flood emergency that was issued several hours ago for 595 all the way down towards North Miami. But as you saw, Ivan Taylor there, things calming down certainly, and the water has begun to recede because the rainfall rates haven't been 4 to 6 inches an hour. You just can't drain with that kind of rain, and we're looking much better here. So notice the collection of rainfall, and the heaviest of which now pushing out towards the east, and so we're looking much better here. And further south and west, we're still dealing with a pretty good storm rolling through Key West, but the good thing about this is the heaviest lightning here has pushed up to the north, and in general we'll continue with that, particularly over the waters. I think inland areas have been done over as far as any significant additional lightning. So rain tracker doing a good job of depicting the overall pattern for the rest of tonight, and we'll get to tomorrow in a second here. But there you see the rain generally moving down to the south, but it's not going to be this clearing line that comes in and it stops raining. We're still going to have light to moderate showers continuing, but not the convective storm driven rainfall rates of the several inches an hour that we've been having. But the tropical tap is still there. So we'll continue with this rainfall. Look at this connection here from Havana through the Straits out towards the Keys and then inland across the peninsula, and just not much else to the north. This is going to set up again for tomorrow, so we have another round of heavy rain that's likely going to be coming in. So the flood watch continues through this evening, now extended through a Friday night with this tropical moisture. So there we are today, this boundary acting as a wall, as I've been talking about, right? So heavy storms will continue Thursday, Friday, and I'll show you that on Rain Tracker. I think Saturday we'll still have some thunderstorms around. They'll be likely producing some heavy rainfall, but not this steady rain that we've been seeing the last few days. So they'll be allowed to drain in some parts here. All right, so checking in on the tropics, tropical air mass, tropical moisture here, but nothing organized as far as a tropical entity where we can put a name. So this is the area of investigation that they're looking at here, right? So the low is over Tampa. That's going to be moving in the wrong direction, the great direction for us, which is basically away from us. So about a 20% chance of it developing once it pushes north and east. Can't develop over land. That's where it is right now. It's about to roll offshore there, and we'll see if that happens. But as I mentioned, it's not going to be a threat to us. 30% chance, if you've been keeping track with the tropics here, this is nothing to be concerned about. It's an area of potential development over the Bay of Campeche, and this will be moving in likely into Mexico, perhaps clipping parts of southern Texas here with some good rain, but not a threat for us. It's going to the west. Rainfall on and off for tomorrow. That's going to continue. Temperatures holding there in the low 80s. We haven't talked about that in a while, but by the time we get into this weekend, we're finally going to break out of this pattern here. So Saturday, 50% rain chance. So that's going to be for scattered thunderstorms. Some will be producing some hefty amounts of rainfall here, but we're not likely going to be looking at a scenario where we're going to be looking at additional flood threats. I'm just trying to show you Father's Day there, but there it it is. 89 degrees. If you're taking Dad out, I think you'll be in much better shape. Quieter conditions, just some isolated afternoon storms. And then for early next week, we'll have temperatures in the upper 80s to around 90 with rain chances at around 30 to 40%. So that's what we have going now. We are going to keep you updated throughout the evening, guys. We'll let you know if any new warnings or watches are issued.